Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust fan speed or just start fans to spinning on HP Victus laptop. So basically what you'll need to do is find icon like this, or you can just click on this little icon on the keyboard. It's near the numlock. So let's click on this button and wait for the app to load. So it is called OMEN Gaming Hub. And right here we will be able to adjust all the computer settings. So right here, if you go to the Victus laptop, as you can see, let me just wait for it to load. So let's now click on Victus laptop. You'll see performance control right here. So click on the performance control, and here you'll see echo, balanced, and performance mode. So if you go to the performance mode, it will enable the thermal control, as you can see, and now you can set to the max or the manual, and you will see the fan speed will ramp up. So right here you hear the fans, or you just go to the manual and adjust it right here by the curve or the sector. So if this video was been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.